Question number 1. Using these 3 elements, text, class discussion, online resource, from week 0/2, demonstrate your understanding of the content, main themes, key concepts, and how it impacts teaching learning. Make sure to clearly identify what those content, main themes, key concepts are within your answer. So, for the text, the understanding of the context of the readings. For the class discussion, the bias of expressive and implicit. For online resources, the main theme to understand is the context is working as a team to work on the UDL project. It will impact on teaching and learning new every day to the students. So for question number 2, when providing your answer to number 1, what must you take into consider as a teacher and why? As a teacher, I will consider in taking class discussion because it will help other students to learn some new ideas from other students that might not understand. So we'll be as a working together process, and we'll find new ideas of knowing what their meaning and stuff. I will make a group activity so they could get their own groups, and I could ask them questions and they could look for them, research them if they need to, if they don't know the answers. But if they do know them, they could write their own answers so they could experience more of what they know and on what the internet knows.